how would I do this one here? I want to solve this one because I've been given a y coordinate and I can just plug this in. So y is 2 and it's equal to -2 cosine of -2 pi over 5x minus 2 pi over 5 plus 1. Okay, so I want to solve this equation for x, and that way I can get all the x coordinates. If I remember that when I solve using undo a cosine with arc cos, I need to get theta 1, theta 2. I'm going to get both solutions and their repetitions. So solving this, I'm going to subtract 1, divide by -2 to get the cosine value. Now, if you want, you can factor this. I'm going to just leave it like this for now. I know that this, although you could use a calculator here, that is a special angle, and I want to know where cosine is equal to 1/2. Cosine is equal to 1/2 in those two quadrants. Okay, so the angle -2 pi over 5x minus 2 pi over 5, that's going to be equal to 2 pi over 3, so that's theta 1, and then theta 2. Actually, right, I'm going to just make a little space for theta 2 here. In fact, I'm going to do that in a different color so that you can see that how I'm differentiating these two. Okay, so this is going to be the theta 2 here. Okay, so -2 pi over 5x minus 2 pi over 5. That angle is my theta 2 angle. That's going to be negative. I can use -2 pi over 3. In this case, I'm just going to go in the positive direction. Say that's positive 4 pi over 3. Okay, then I solve these two angles. There's theta 1. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to times by 5. Let's get rid of those 2 pi's first of all. That's going to make it a lot easier. Okay, and then I'm going to end up with negative x over 5. Actually, that's times by 15 to get rid of the denominator. Okay, times by 15, so I'm going to end up with negative 3x minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, and that's going to be 15 divided by 3 is 5. So I'm going to end up with 2 equals 3x, x equals 2/3. Okay, so there's one answer. Solve this one. I'm going to solve that one the same way. I'm going to get rid of the denominator of 5 and 3 by multiplying by 15. So I'm going to get negative. Well, let's get rid of these two. Let's get rid of these pi's. That's going to be 2. So multiplying through, I'm going to end up with negative 3x minus 3 is equal to 30 divided by 3 is 10. So I get negative 13 divided by is equal to 3x. And then I'm going to divide by x. Sorry, divide by 3. So there's my other angle. I need to get I'll use a period. So my period is going to be 2 pi over 5. That's equal to 5. Okay, so then if I want my repetitions, I would do plus n times 5 plus n times 5 to get all the repetitions.